The human brain is a marvel of biological engineering. With its intricate network of neurons, it orchestrates everything we do, from the simplest actions like blinking to the most complex thoughts and emotions. The brain is the command center. It's no surprise that scientists and philosophers have long been captivated by this enigmatic organ. Consider this: the brain weighs about 3 pounds, yet it contains around 86 billion neurons. Each neuron forms thousands of connections, creating a vast neural network. This network is responsible for every aspect of our existence. How does such a small organ wield so much power? This question has puzzled researchers for centuries. Despite advancements in neuroscience, many mysteries of the brain remain unsolved. For instance, how do our thoughts and emotions emerge from electrical impulses? And to what extent do we control our own minds? These questions drive ongoing research and debate. As we delve deeper into the complexities of the brain, we'll explore its anatomy, its mechanisms of control, and the influences that shape our behavior. Let's embark on a journey through the most fascinating organ in the human body. The brain is divided into several key regions, each with specific functions. The cerebrum, the largest part, is responsible for higher cognitive functions. These include thinking, memory, and decision-making. It's divided into 2 hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. Beneath the cerebrum lies the cerebellum. This smaller structure coordinates movement and balance. It's crucial for activities that require precision, like playing a musical instrument or typing on a keyboard. Despite its size, the cerebellum contains more neurons than the rest of the brain combined. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It's responsible for basic life functions like breathing, heart rate, and sleep. The brainstem acts as a relay station, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Without it, survival would be impossible. Another important region is the limbic system, which includes structures like the hippocampus and amygdala. The hippocampus is essential for memory formation, while the amygdala processes emotions. Together, these structures influence our behavior and responses to the environment. Our thoughts and behavior are not solely determined by the brain's internal mechanisms. External factors like the environment, social interactions, and experiences also play a significant role. For instance, the way we're raised can shape our beliefs, values, and attitudes. Consider the impact of stress on the brain. Chronic stress can alter brain function and structure, particularly in regions involved in emotion regulation and memory. This can lead to issues like anxiety and depression. On the other hand, positive experiences and supportive relationships can promote brain health and resilience. The brain is also influenced by the sensory information it receives. For example, exposure to art and music can enhance cognitive functions and emotional well-being. Similarly, physical activity has been shown to improve brain health by increasing blood flow and promoting the growth of new neurons. Furthermore, cultural factors can shape how we think and behave. Different cultures place varying emphasis on individualism versus collectivism, affecting decision-making and social interactions. Our brain adapts to these cultural norms, demonstrating its incredible plasticity. Section 5. The conscious and subconscious mind. The brain operates on multiple levels of awareness. The conscious mind is responsible for intentional thoughts and actions. It's the part of the brain we're most familiar with, allowing us to make decisions, solve problems, and interact with the world. Beneath the surface lies the subconscious mind. This part of the brain processes information outside of our awareness. It influences our behavior in ways we may not realize. For example, habits and automatic responses are governed by the subconscious. It's also where our emotions and memories reside. The interaction between the conscious and subconscious mind is complex. Often, the subconscious mind acts as a filter, shaping our perceptions and actions based on past experiences and ingrained beliefs. This can lead to biases or automatic reactions that we might not be consciously aware of. Understanding the dynamics between these 2 levels of mind is crucial for personal development. By becoming more aware of our subconscious patterns, we can work to change negative behaviors and enhance positive ones. Techniques like mindfulness and cognitive behavioral therapy can help in this process. Section 6. Insights from leading neuroscientific studies. Modern neuroscience has provided profound insights into how the brain controls behavior. One notable study involves the concept of neuroplasticity. Researchers have found that the brain can rewire itself in response to learning and experience. This challenges the old belief that the brain's structure is fixed after a certain age. Another significant finding is the role of mirror neurons. These neurons fire both when an individual performs an action and when they observe someone else performing the same action. This discovery has implications for understanding empathy, learning, and social interactions. Studies using brain imaging techniques, such as fMRI, have identified specific brain regions associated with different functions. For example, the prefrontal cortex is linked to decision-making and impulse control, while the amygdala is involved in emotional responses. These findings help map the brain's intricate network of functions. Research into brain disorders has also advanced our understanding. Conditions like Alzheimer's, autism, and schizophrenia offer clues about how the brain operates and what happens when it malfunctions. These studies pave the way for new treatments and interventions to improve brain health. Section 7. Free will versus determinism. The debate between free will and determinism has long intrigued philosophers and scientists. Free will suggests that individuals have the power to make choices independent of external influences. Determinism, on the other hand, argues that behavior is dictated by factors such as genetics and environment. Neuroscience adds a new dimension to this debate. Some studies suggest that our decisions are made subconsciously before we become aware of them. This implies that free will might be an illusion, as our brains are already set on a particular course of action before we consciously decide. However, other researchers argue that conscious thought plays a crucial role in shaping behavior. They believe that while subconscious processes influence our actions, we still have the capacity to override these impulses through conscious deliberation and self-control. This ongoing debate highlights the complexity of human behavior. It suggests that both free will and determinism may play a role, with conscious and subconscious processes interacting in dynamic ways. Understanding this interplay can help us make more informed choices and better understand our own minds. Section 8. The brain's control over human experience. The brain's control over human experience is nothing short of extraordinary. It not only regulates our physical functions, but also shapes our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Through its intricate network of neurons and synapses, the brain processes vast amounts of information, enabling us to navigate the world. Our experiences, both positive and negative, leave a lasting impact on the brain. They shape our neural pathways, influencing how we perceive and respond to future events. This adaptability is a testament to the brain's remarkable plasticity and resilience. The interplay between the conscious and subconscious mind adds another layer of complexity. While the conscious mind allows for deliberate thought and action, the subconscious mind operates behind the scenes, guiding our habits and reactions. This duality underscores the brain's multifaceted nature. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the brain, we gain deeper insights into what it means to be human. From understanding how external factors shape our behavior to unraveling the complexities of free will, the study of the brain offers profound implications for personal growth and societal well-being. In conclusion, the brain's control over human experience is a testament to its incredible power and complexity. By exploring its anatomy, functions, and influences, we gain a greater appreciation for the intricate processes that govern our lives. The journey to understand the brain is ongoing, promising new discoveries and insights into the essence of human existence.